All right, if you have kids and they never pick up their toys, one of the reasons may be because they have too many. Often parents complain that their kids just don't pick up their toys, and I find that it's usually because they've been given so many toys that they're overloaded and they don't even know where to start to put things away when you tell them to. So the first thing I'd suggest, if you have kids and you have invariably a lot of toys, is to get rid of the toys and put them on a rotation basis. So, for example, all these would go into storage, and then maybe every 4 months or so I'd rotate them out. That way the kids feel like they're getting new toys, and I don't have to clean up all that clutter. Now, even if your kids can't read, a great way to get them to organize their toys is to, first of all, divide them into categories. So, for example, all the blocks would go into some of these bins I found here. Now, these bins are really great, and you don't have to use bins like these. You can get any kind, even buckets or even laundry baskets will work just fine. And what you can do is take a toy that they know about, like let's use a different color here, like these, and you can just tape them to the front. That way they'll know, even if they can't read, that the blocks go in this bin. Alright, so we have all the toys cleared up, and as you can see, even if the kids couldn't read, they'll be able to know that the blocks go in there, the tools and toys go in here, and the stuffed animals can all fit right in here. And like I said, my little toy is falling off right here, but this is just a temporary solution. You'd obviously be able to use, like sew them on or glue them on so they'd be there a little more permanent than just tape. Now, the main thing, like I said before, was getting rid of most of the toys. I know you may feel like you want your kids to play with all the toys they have, but they really, if you rotate them around, they'd get much more use out of them. And I know you can't stop your relatives from buying gifts, and you want to buy gifts for your kids as well. But they will learn how to appreciate the toys that they do have, and it'll really cut down the clutter. And I would just suggest that you try it out for maybe a month or two and see if it works out for you, because they'd be able to clean up their toys much easier, and it'll be easier on you too.